Struggling with the Windows Update error 0xca020007 on Windows 11? I'll walk you through 2 easy fixes to get your updates working again. Open the search menu and type Troubleshoot. Select Troubleshoot Settings from the results. In the troubleshooting settings, choose Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, and click Run. Once the troubleshooter completes, close it. Open the search menu again, type CMD, and right-click Command Prompt to select Run as Administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type SFC/Scano and press Enter to start the system scan. Wait for the scan to finish, as it may take some time. After the scan completes, close the command prompt and restart your computer. After restarting, go to Windows Update and check for updates again to see if the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.